Here's part 2 on how I created this viral eye makeup. Just thickening up that line to the point where you need it. I also want to point out, you see how I leave a little bit of a gap there? I'm taking this wing a bit higher than I normally would, and that's going to make sense in just a moment. But first, let's head back to our palette to pick up some black shadow and just tap it right on. We're not dragging it because we don't want to disrupt the integrity of the gel formula. We're just tapping this shadow on. I'll even use it to bring in the inner corner there. Yeah. Not so bad, huh? I hope I didn't lose you, but the hardest part is over with, so that's the good news. I'm next gonna take a detail blending brush like so, and I'm gonna use this to kind of smudge out the liner a smidge. This is a nifty little trick I often use because I'm not great with eyeliner. It gets that perfectly imperfect look. Let's go ahead and take that cool shadow that we had used earlier in the crease and pop it right onto the lower lash line. Not a whole lot. Most of the drama's on the upper lid today, so this is just supposed to complement. And back with our liner brush, we're gonna pick up some black shadow and trace the lower lash line. Now remember earlier I had said that I brought my wing up a little further up than I used to. That's because we're gonna create a second wing. So I'm gonna drag this out a little bit, leaving a small space in between. It's very subtle. Very, very subtle. Remember this bright shadow we used in the beginning? We're gonna repurpose it for right there in between the wings. It's like a little sandwich. Okay, I'd imagine this is starting to become a little lengthy, so I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and give the lashes a good coat of this from the root to the very tip on the top and bottom. And then lastly, I'm using these velour individual clusters. They're already pre-glued, so it makes it very, very easy. Just toss a few of these on. Ooh. It completely transforms the look, doesn't it? Who else thinks in 2026 lashes are gonna come back? I think it will. Like, I think we can do 2016 makeup again, but with a modern twist. Anyway, get me started. Let's wipe away this powder and any fallout. And there we have it. I can't wait to see how this looks on you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.